This is Best Western Plus, Stovall's Inn, right by Disneyland. So here you have the front, and these topiaries are actually a big thing here. They have a topiary garden as well. But I want to give you kind of an idea of where this is located. So if we turn around, then this is Catella Avenue right here. And it is quite, how shall I say, crowded and noisy. So you just want to be sure that you ask for a room in the back. And then we have this road right here is Disneyland Drive. So you use this crosswalk. And as you can see, this is Disney's California Adventure. Downtown Disney is right there. It's just one easy walk. And then Paradise Pier, Grand California Hotel, Disneyland, all of that. So this is where you would be walking from. And then there is a restaurant as well, Coco's Bakery. They're open for all 3 meals. They actually deliver as well, and it's pretty big menu and pretty much something for everybody. There is public transportation that picks up right in front of the hotel, so if you don't want to walk, you can take that. So as you can tell from Catella Avenue, it is quite loud, and I highly suggest that if you stay here, you ask for a room that's closer in the back that you can see back here. And so there is gated parking. It is currently $10 a day. And both sides kind of look like this. Once the traffic noise ebbs, it's much nicer. So you have rooms on the other side as well. So both sides, and pretty nice. So this is something a little bit fun and different with this hotel. They actually have a topiary garden, and it's something that you can walk through, very quiet, well, other than road noise, but peaceful, and it's something fun for kids, and it harkens back to like a simpler time and when topiaries were fun and fanciful. So I really like that. And then there is a pool access as well. Now, if you're liking this video so far, can you do us a favor and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like, and turn on the notifications? It would really help us out, and we'd appreciate it so very much. Doing a quick video tour of room 532 at the Best Western Plus Stovall's Inn. And obviously we have been sleeping in this room, so I just wanted to be sure to live in it and then let you know what we like and what we don't like. So we had the 2 doubles. Turn it around and you can see that there is a little dining room table there as well. And then you have the desk area, TV, and a closet inside the armoire. So give you a little bit of a view of how much storage you have. There's an extra blanket and pillow. And then coming over here, there is a refrigerator and a microwave, coffee area, and then your toiletries and amenities. So I'll show you the toiletries that you get here. And then the bathroom in here, obviously been being used. So that is what a double room looks like at Best Western Plus Stovall Inn. So we have now spent 6 nights in the Best Western Plus Stovall's Inn. Highly recommend the location. It is great. So easy to walk to both the convention center and to Disneyland, Disney's California Adventure, Downtown Disney, all of that good stuff. As far as the pros, it would be location. It would be the price point compared to things that are also in the area. And you get Best Western points, which is great. They have a great rewards program. The staff is amazing, really amazing. And there is a huge breakfast, free breakfast every morning. So those are big pluses. Things that we didn't like about it, road noise. It is in between Catella and Disneyland Way, which are obviously 2 very busy roads. First, we had room 562, which the traffic noise kept us up all night long. That is currently facing Disneyland Way and the Westin Resort that's under construction as of now, but will be opening in 2020. So when we moved with a separate reservation that we had, we asked for a more quiet room. And so now we're in 532, which is, the other rooms are facing the road. Then there's like these pockets of rooms that are around a courtyard area. Let me see if I can show that to you. And then there's another row of rooms that would be facing the other way. So see, we're facing the parking lot rather than a roadway. So I would highly suggest that you ask for one of the more quiet rooms. In the back is what we asked for. The room tends to be a little dark. I mean, we've got all the lights on right now. Over there in the makeup area, very hard to put makeup on with those lights. It's just kind of really dark. My husband even had a hard time shaving. Our mattress is pretty bad, but we also didn't ask for a new mattress. Like literally the springs are gone and it goes boing every time you sit on it. So that's, you know, our thing is we just didn't ask, so we can't really hold that against them. And it's just been very humid in the room, which is surprising because it's like cold outside, like 70 degrees. So it's just a little odd that it's just a little bit damp feeling. The towels don't really dry out, and yet it's not really cold enough to put heat on. So I don't know why you would do that. And then finally, the other thing, which is easily remedied, not that big of a deal, is that there are no outlets and no USB ports anywhere by the bed. Like there's not in the lamp. We moved the bed. There's an outlet like behind the headboard. But if you're wanting to plug in stuff while you are in bed or charge or use your phone as a alarm clock and be able to do that in the morning but have it close to you, you need to bring an extra long cell phone charger. And I will put a link below as to the one that we use. We actually plugged it in this wall over the desk, and it stretched all the way to the bed, so you could have the phone by you at night if you're using it for an alarm. So I believe that's it. Once again, this has been Best Western Plus Stovall's Inn. This is specifically room 532. Bye-bye.